So you're hitting the gym consistently, you're training hard, and you're even following a program, but you're still not seeing real muscle growth. I get it. I've been there too. And today I'm going to be breaking down the three biggest reasons of why you're not building muscle, even though you're training hard. All right, reason number one is you're not training hard enough. Here's the truth: most guys don't train anywhere close to failure, and they stop 4, 5, sometimes 6 reps before they actually need to. So to grow, you need to push within 0 to 2 reps of failure on your working sets. In exercise science, we call this RIR, or reps in reserve. If you finish a set, you feel like you could have done 5 more, you've left a lot of growth on the table. If you push until you've only got 1 rep left in the tank, that's where the growth actually happens. So you're working hard but not seeing growth, chances are you're not working hard enough in the right way. All right. Reason number two is your nutrition is not dialed. You can't build muscle if you're not fueling your body. And if your protein intake is too low, recovery's going to stall. If your calories are too low, you're just going to stay in the same spot. So aim for around 1.25 to 1.35 grams of protein per pound of body weight, or use 1.5 to 1.7 grams of protein per pound of lean mass. And make sure you're eating enough total calories to support growth. Do not fear carbs. Carbs are going to fuel your training intensity and your recovery. Without the right nutrition, all the training in the world will not add new muscle. All right. Lastly, reason number three is you're not recovering. Muscle does not grow in the gym, it grows when you recover. So if you're sleeping 5 hours a night, you're stressed out, or you're never taking rest days, you're short circuiting your results. Recovery is when your body adapts, repairs, and actually builds new muscle tissue. So focus on 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, stress management, taking your rest days seriously, and proper hydration and electrolytes. Without recovery, you're just going to feel beat up, not built. So to wrap it all up, if you've been grinding in the gym and not seeing results, check these three things. Number one, are you actually training close enough to failure? Number two, are you fueling your body enough with enough protein and calories? And lastly, number three, are you giving yourself enough time to recover? Fix these three things and you're finally going to see your hard work pay off. If you want more science based strategies to build lean muscle, make sure to subscribe here. If you want me to lay out the exact training and nutrition plan for you, DM me the word elite on Instagram.